Greetings from Indigo Yogi Evolution. Hello there, I'm a graphic and web developer who is passionate about making stunning and effective designs. I am driven by a love for bringing ideas to life and finding new ways to express creativity through my work. Design is a way of life for me, not simply a profession. I am constantly pushing my boundaries and looking for new opportunities, whether it be through working on a brand new website, designing a great logo, or trying out new methods and designs. But at the same time, I know that it is equally important to build a strong foundation and audience for my work. By putting in the time and effort to create a solid portfolio, develop my skills, and connect with others in my field, I am able to reach a wider audience and share my passion with the world. So if you're looking for a talented and dedicated designer who is always looking to push the boundaries of what is possible, look no further. I am here to help you bring your vision to life and create designs that stand out from the crowd. So let's work together to create something truly amazing. Let's build a strong foundation and reach an audience that will appreciate and admire your work for years to come. Thanks for your support.